Breaking news: Buhari has been dragged to court. By who and for what reason? I guess you want to know. Stay tuned. I have the details right here with me. But before we go into the details for today's news, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do also subscribe. Give this video a massive thumbs up. Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that you'll be the first person to get notified each time we upload a new video. Without further ado, let's dive straight into the details of today's news. A chieftain of the All Progressive Congress (APC) in Imo State, Senator Ifeanyi Ararume, has slammed 100 billion naira suit against President Muhammadu Buhari, alleging that it was unlawfully removed as a non-executive chairman of the newly incorporated Nigeria National Petroleum Company (NNPC). In the suit marked FHC Abuja CS 691/2022, which it filed through a team of senior advocates of Nigeria, SANS, led by Chief Chris Uche and Ogu Onoja. Ararume formulated 4 issues for the Federal High Court in Abuja to determine in its favor. Specifically, he was urging the court to determine whether, in view of the provisions of the memorandum and articles of association of the NNPC Companies and Allied Matters Act 2010 and the Petroleum Industry Act 2021, the office of a non-executive chairman of the NNPC is non-governed and regulated by the law. He is also asking the court to determine whether, by the interpretation of Section 63, subsection 3 of the Petroleum Industry Act 2021, President Buhari could lawfully remove him as non-executive chairman of the NNPC for any reason outside the provisions of the law, as well as whether the president could sack him without compliance with expressly stated provisions of the Articles of Memorandum of Association of a Company, Section 63, subsection 3 of the PIA Act 2021 and Section 288 of the KAMA Act 2020. Besides, he sprained the court to determine whether his purported removal violated a letter dated January 17, 2022, without compliance with expressly stated provisions of the law, was not wrongful, illegal, null and void, and of no legal consequence whatsoever. Upon determination of the issues, the plaintiff wants the court to declare that, by the provisions of Section 63, subsection 3 of the PIA Act, KAMA Act, and Memorandum of Association of the NNPC, the president could not by will remove him from office as non-executive chairman without following due process of the law. Aside from seeking to set aside his removal from office, Ararume prayed the court to reinstate and restore him back with all the appurtenant rights and privileges of the office of the NNPC non-executive chairman. The plaintiff further demanded for the nullification and setting aside of all decisions and resolutions the NNPC board has made in his absence, stating, starting from January 17, 2022 till date, and another order restraining the defendant from removing his name as director of a company. In a 75-paragraph affidavit that was filed in support of the suit, Ararume told the court that upon the passage of the Petroleum Industry Act 2021, the former NNPC and its subsidiaries were unbundled to become Nigerian National Petroleum Company, registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission (CAC) with number 1843987. He told the court that on October 20, 2021, President Buhari approved his appointment as a non-executive chairman for a period of initial 5 years, and his name subsequently registered in the Memorandum of Articles of the company with the appointment announced to the whole world. According to him, based on the appointment, he attended the 23rd World Petroleum Congress in the United States of America, USA. Ararume said he was surprised that President Buhari on January 7th, 2023 inaugurated the NNPC board without a recourse to him, while another person was named in his place. He said he was subsequently notified by a letter dated January 17, 2023 of the withdrawal of his appointment without any reason adduced to justify the action against him. The plaintiff told the court that he was not guilty of any preconditions for removal and was never declared bankrupt or adjudged medically unfit for the job. He said the president's action by unlawfully sacking him from the position fueled public speculation and rumors against his person, insisting that he has suffered loss of credibility, goodwill, untold emotional, mental, and psychological trauma, as well as public humiliation and degradation. Consequently, he demanded for his reinstatement and the award of 100 billion naira, to him as compensation. When the case was called up on Wednesday, Justice Inyang Eko ordered that the CAC should be joined as a party in the matter. The matter was later adjourned till December 15 for mention. My people, did you hear that this man is asking for a whooping sum of 100 billion naira for because he was removed from office, and thereafter people were carrying rumors about his person, saying maybe he's a bad person or something like that is corrupt or something like that. 100 billion? Are you serious? Anyway, we shall see where this case is going, and I shall also be giving you updates on this channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.